Most people think slides don't need cleaning until they look at them. When the slides reaches this stage, people usually ignore them or wash them completely wrong way. Today, we're gonna change that.
Look, I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a youngin', problem no miss.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy. Today we are cleaning these Nike Jordan Super Play slides. Under all the buildup and dirt, there is a very nice blue and gray colorway. They are pretty dirty and we need to bring that blue and gray color back. The strap on this is actually synthetic leather. The outsoles are rubber and the footbed is made out of foam. For these premium slides, we would be using our Ultimate Kit, which comes with 3 different brushes: soft, medium, hard, a 100 ml cleaning solution, and a microfiber towel. I also will be using our collapsible bowl and cleaning mat so that we don't create much mess. So let's get it started. We'll be working on the right slide and we'll keep the left side for later comparison. Always start with dry brushing. This helps us get rid of the loose dust so that we do not spread it all across the table once the water comes in. 200 ml of water. Get the sugar clean and use 3 squirts to make our solution ready. Just like every time, we are going to start with our uppers, then the midsoles, and then the outsoles. Let's start with the strap with our soft brush. Now we will use our microfiber towel. The strap needs to be opened up to be cleaned from inside. Let's give it another nice rub with our soft brush and give it a final look. Okay, let's get down to the side of these straps. As you can see, the blue is back to life. Okay guys, the strap looks pretty neat and clean. So now we will work ourselves on the footbed. I will be using the medium brush. So one thing, the inside of the slide is a little dirty, so we'll clean this. As you can see, it is pretty clean from inside here. Only the outer lining is a little dirty, so we'll use the microfiber for this as well. The strap, the footbed, they look clean, pretty nice. Similarly, we will use the medium brush for the sides. Now for the whole outsoles, you can see all this gober and everything is here. So we'll be going all in, all ham with our hard bristle brush. We use the hard brush to get into the grooves because that is where the dirt and the dust hides. Okay, let's do a final wipe to remove all the residue and the moisture. Now it is time, the moment you've been waiting for, we are going to compare them. Let me bring out the left slide. Voila! There you go, guys. Remember, if your slides are part of your daily routine, do not ignore them. Quick clean every few weeks goes a long way. अगर ये पसंद आया तो hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, do not forget to love your shoes and your slides as well. Let's go! Boom!